All right, so now we're going to show you how to make a French 75. This is a very classic cocktail, nice and refreshing, summery. It's got two different alcohols. We've got a gin, and then we top with the champagne. Today we're going to use Prosecco. It is traditionally done with champagne, but this will just allow a little bit of a sweeter note versus a traditional champagne. So to begin, we use a ½ ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice, which we've already prepared. And then we also do a ½ ounce of simple syrup. We have made simple syrup. Simple syrup is relatively easy to make. You can either purchase it or you can make it yourself. It's 1-to-1 ratio, 1 cup sugar, 1 cup water. And then you're gonna do 1 ounce of gin. If you're not a gin lover like myself, there are many gins out there. This is a very forgiving gin drink. And then you're going to go ahead and grab ice. And you're gonna shake this drink for about 20 to 30 seconds. And then you're going to strain your cocktail in a coupe glass or a champagne glass. And strain it real nice in there, get all of that yummy liquid in there. And then you're gonna top with your champagne or your Prosecco. Your yummy bubblies. And then you're going to lastly garnish with a twist of a lemon. You can espresso that over there as well. And then you can sink inside or hang from the rim, whichever you prefer.